right, so I found this recipe on TikTok and it's way better than it looks. It's delicious. It's really hot. You chop up 1 pound of beef, yellow pepper, red pepper, and 1 onion. Onion powder, paprika, black pepper, Italian seasoning, and a little bit of salt. I'm just cooking this down until it's all the way brown and the peppers are soft. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I use white wine, but I'm doing like half a cup of chicken broth. Actually about 3/4 cup. I would be using half and half, but instead I'm doing about half a cup of heavy cream and half a cup of milk. Bit of good stir.
1 handful of spinach. 2, 3.
I'm stirring in 4 ounces of cheddar cheese.
In the noodles.
Mix it all around. I covered it with another 4 ounces of cheese, and now I'm gonna put the lid on it so it can melt. It's all melted, and it turned out so good. It's super good, and you have to try it if you need like a quick, easy meal and a delicious meal.